You are a very good actor, Deep. For a moment, I felt like you're telling the truth. Just like you used to say before. But I had forgotten. A murderer and fraud like you can never be honest. Before finishing you, I will finish everyone whom you love from bottom of your heart. Deep Raj Singh, be ready tomorrow to witness the shattered dreams of Roma.
What did they print about me? Roma Raichand has an illegitimate child. A bitter truth. Damn it. There is same news in every newspaper of the country in my praise. A new face of social worker Roma Raichand. She has an illegitimate child. An illegitimate child? They have ruined my image.
Mom, please brace yourself. This can't be true. Your enemies must have done this. I'll inquire the newspaper office who is behind this.
How can I hold myself? They have shattered my dream of being a political leader.
Mom, please calm down. Whoever has defamed you, I will kill him for sure. But now, please control yourself.
But who did this? Look at this. The biggest journalist of the city is calling me. Couldn't he ask me about the truth before publishing the news? Now he is calling me for clarification.
Mom, please. I'm telling you to please calm down. We will prove that this news is fake. And every famous man is defamed.
Yes, I know that, but it's a different matter when a woman is defamed, my dear.
Brother Virat, if this is not a fake news, does that mean that we have another sister?
Mom, why would the media publish fake news without any proof? I mean, is anything true about this news? Do we have any sister?
Great, Virat. Are you suspecting your mother's character? Do you want to know the
No,
truth?
Virat, didn't you feel ashamed to ask that? The outsiders are defaming Mom. And how could you ask that despite being our own son?
Hold on. Don't interfere between us. What do you want to know? Let me hear it from you. You want to know the truth, don't you? Go. Go and find out the truth first. Ask that journalist what proof he has and what does he know about me. Look at that. The minister is calling me to ask. The biggest fraud of the country will question me now. The most corrupt person.
Come on, Mom. No matter what it is, you have to give an explanation once. Pick up the phone.
You are right, Tara. Yes, Minister. Yes. Minister, I want to tell you only one thing, that you are the minister, but you still don't get what is happening here. They are trying to defame me. Because no one wants me to join your party, or else your party will become stronger, Minister. Give me time till today evening. I will set everything right. I will file a case of defamation on the media. Okay? Yes, I will call you back. Virat.
Yes, Mom.
Deep. Come to my room after 15 minutes.
Mom, I will also...
No way. You have to do an important task. You have to find out the truth. Go and find out the truth. We will talk later.
Wait, Mom. Whatever it may be. But all of us want to know the truth.
You look after the baby that's growing within you. I will talk to you later about the rest of the things.
But sister, what if the publisher of the newspaper reveals your name to them? I'm really worried now, sister.
Fake name. I sent everything from a fake address, Chavani. Even the CBI won't find it. Forget about them.
Give me the source of the person who published this news. What? What did you say? You don't know the name and the address where that person stays, but you published the news anyway? You're supposed to investigate before publishing something, right? You should be ashamed of yourself. You defamed a respectable social activist. Now your publishing house will be shut down. Nonsense.
But with the pictures sent to the media, it will be discovered that whose Roma's daughter is.
No one will know anything, Vedika. Because the pictures that were sent was of when you were an infant. And no one knows where you are and where you went after you grew up.
I have to pay big time for a small mistake. I told you I will never accept this mistake. It was you who wanted to raise that mistake. But Prithvi, you promised me that my past will always be a past. And that will not affect my present ever. You promised me, didn't you? And so that this decision doesn't burden you, I have been helping you financially, right? Then how did this news reach the media?
I do not know how the media got to know of this. I don't even know how our daughter knew of us and who you are to her. But yes, I do know one thing. You have done injustice to our daughter. Just because you could step on the ladder of success, the child who is not at fault, she had to live like an orphan so that your image is not tainted.
Of course, my image has to be maintained completely. I will destroy everyone who will interfere in my success. If that girl become an obstacle, then I will throw that stone aside. And you better know that I only have 2 children, Virat and Tara.
What sort of a mother are you? Huh? Do you even have a heart? You can't even call her a daughter. At least don't call her an obstacle.
What do I do? I really don't understand motherly love and affection at all. I have no such feelings in me. You tell me, how did the media know about our secret?
I told you I have no idea.
Then who else would know? I never told anyone. Who did you tell about her?
Are you doubting me, Roma? Me? I have kept this hidden for such a long time, and if I wanted to disclose it, I would have done it a long time back.
I'm sorry. Okay, tell me. Does our daughter know that I am her mother?
She doesn't know anything. And she is in Europe.
In Europe? I'm sorry. She may be a grown-up girl now. Maybe beautiful as well. She has been subjected to injustice. I treated her like an orphan. Her name is Vedika, right?
What rubbish are you talking? How can it be Vedika? Are you insane?
Sister, that Roma has no clue, but Deep knows it all. Deep can go to Roma any second.
Deep will not do anything like that. Deep will never let the matter reach Roma. That is because he thinks that people like Roma cannot have an illegitimate child. That idiot thinks that some enemy has planned this to defame Roma. But Deep will be looking to mend the ways after the explosion that will be created by us. He will try everything to make sure that Roma doesn't lose the ticket to elections. But I don't understand that. Why Roma told Deep to come to her room? What was it that she couldn't say in front of everyone?
You're sweating a lot. Go have a glass of water. Prithvi. He hasn't changed at all. His heart beats faster whenever he lies. It's so funny. Where the car?
इश्क में मर जाना
What happened, Tara? Where were you going in a hurry?
Leave all that. Tell me, Deep. What was Mom saying?
Why are you asking? Do you also doubt your mom's character like Virat did? Believe me, it's all enemy's ploy.
Oh, please, Deep. At least don't start that story with me, okay? Tell me, how is Mom? Is she going to do something off the blue?
She's calling for a press conference, and I don't know what she's going to be saying there. I'll leave. I'll have to invite people.
Roma is calling for a press conference. But why? How is she planning to turn this disclosure in her favor now?
Why has she called for a press conference? What does she want to say in this conference?
I don't know, Vedika. But Roma is a very cunning woman. She can do anything to be a member of Rajya Sabha. Firstly, she will have to get rid of the accusation laid on her. We have to be careful. Anything can happen.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.